Yes. Now come on, first question of it. R is given to you 6 centimeter, H is 7 centimeter, and you have to find volume of cone. Okay, what is the volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Okay, this is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. R is your 6 because r square is there. You write 6 into 6. Then what is h? H is your 7. So see here, 7 to 7 cut, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Okay, here is 22 and here is 12. 6 2 ja 12. What will come? See, 12 2 ja 24. 2 is here. 12 2 ja 24 and 2 26. And what will be the volume? Centimeter cube. And this is your answer. Okay. Now come on question number 2. In this second question, first part, you have given R, you have given H, L, and H you have to find capacity. For that you have to find volume. Okay. Now what to do? What to do here? What is the relationship between L, R and H in cone? L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal to R square plus H square. I have to find H, so H square is equal to L square minus R square. L is what? 25, so 25 square. R is what? 7, then 7 square. Then what will be H? Under root. This is 625. 25 square is your 625, and this is your 7 square is 49. This is your 576, and square root of 576 is 24. 24 centimeter. Now condition is that how to get? Sir, that you have to learn. No matter. We can easily take it out. You have done in class 8th also. Okay. Again we are doing here. See, 576 is this. Now do by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. Again 2 8s are 16. Okay. Then by 2. 144. Again by 2. 2 7 are 14. 72. Again by 2. This is 36. Again by 2. This is your 18. Again by 2. This is 9. Okay, this is your 9. Then again by 2. Again not by 2 because 9 is there. By 3. By 3. Then 1. Try to make it pair. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then 3 times 2 and then 3. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. This is your 24. Okay, then what to do? We have to find actually volume and then after capacity. Volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. This is 1 upon 3 pi r. R is what? 7. So take 7 into 7. And what is h? H is coming 24. Okay, like this. Then 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. 3 8 ja 24, 3 8 ja 24. Okay, then there. Yes, you see here this is 22 here, and this is 8 7 ja 56 centimeter cube. I am writing up here 22 into 56. Okay, 22 into 56. Can I write like this? 56 2s are 112. 56 2s are 112. So 11 into 112. How to solve it? By Vedic method. What is the Vedic method by 11? Multiply by 11. This 1 and this 2 as it is, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 and 1 2. 1232 what? Centimeter cube. But we have to find what? Capacity. Capacity, and what we know actually, 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So I have here 1232 centimeter cube. I have to convert in liters. So I have to divide by 1000. So what will be 1.232 liter? This is your answer. The height of the cone is given to you 15 centimeter. Its volume is given to you 1570 centimeter cube. Find the radius of the base, that and value is given to you what? Pi value. It is 3.14. It means this pi you have to use in this question. Let us draw one figure and see whatever is given to you. 15 centimeter is this given to you, and its volume, here volume is given to you 1570 centimeter cube. What you have to find? You have to find is radius of base. R you have to find out. It is very easy, no? What to do is that you know. What is the thing is given to you? Volume. And volume formula you also know. It's you know very well that I know, because you are watching continuously to me. So what is the formula of volume of cone? Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Okay, put all the values and whatever is unknown you have to find out. Let us come here. What is volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone is this 1 upon 3, pi value 3.14, r square you have to find out, and what is h? H is here 15. What is r square? 1570 cross multiply 3, then 3.14 into 15. Okay, remove this decimal here. This is 100. Okay, now see 157 twos are 157 ones are 157 twos are 314. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. It's very easy, no? Directly, don't try to solve there. You send, come on the next step and solve it. Then you can get accurate answer without more and more calculation. Very less calculation, very less labor, you can get the proper thing. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 cut. R square is R is given to you. What will be R? R is under 100. Then what will be R? R is equal to square root of 100 is 10 centimeter, and this is your answer. If the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube, find the diameter of its base. Okay, we have given volume, we have given height, and what you have to find out? Diameter. What is the volume of cone? That is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Come on. Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi r square. We don't know r. And h is what? 9. And volume also we know. See here. This is 48 pi. This is 48 pi. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. R square. 48 pi. Okay, divide by 3 pi. Pi to pi cut. This is 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. under root 16, this will be r, and r will be 4 centimeter. Okay, you have to find diameter, d diameter 2r. This is 8 centimeter. This is your answer. The next question is, a conical pit of top diameter is 3.5 meter, is 12 meter deep. 12 meter deep it is given to you. Diameter is given to you 3.5 meter. We have not given radius. How can we get radius? Diameter is given. How can we get radius? 3.5 upon 2. Okay. R you can get 3.5 upon 2. Height is given to you. Diameter is given to you. You can get radius also. And what is capacity you have to find out in kiloliters. First of all, you have to find volume. Then volume convert into kiloliter. And all things are given in which unit? In meter. It is very good because we know that 1 meter cube equal to 1 kiloliter. Okay, it is very clear. Then directly find out the volume of cube and volume of cone. Volume of cone. What is volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Come on. Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. That is 1 upon 3, pi is 22 upon 7, r is 3.5 upon 2, 3.5 upon 2, and h is here 12. Okay, then you can remove this. 2 times 10 into 10 will come. Okay, let us cut. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, here is 11. Okay, and what? 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And again 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. What is remaining in numerator? 11 into 35. And what is in denominator? 10. 35 into 11 by Vedic method. 3 5. 5 plus 3 what? 8. This is your 38.5 meter cube. But we have to find what? Capacity in kiloliters. Okay. We know that 1 meter cube equal to 1 kiloliter. It means directly you can write 38.5 kiloliter, and this is your answer.